I'm going to compare Zotero and Dropbox. Zotero and Dropbox are both useful tools, but serve different purposes. Zotero is a reference management tool designed primarily for academics, researchers, and students. It helps you collect and organize research materials such as books, journal articles, and websites. It also allows you to store PDFs and other attachments, and it syncs your library across multiple devices. It's especially useful for organizing large amounts of academic content and generating proper citations for your work. Meanwhile, Dropbox is a cloud storage service that allows you to store all types of files, including documents, images, videos, and more. It makes it easy to access and share your files from any device, whether it's a computer, smartphone, or tablet. It provides options for organizing files into folders and sharing them with others, making it a versatile tool. Unlike Zotero, Dropbox is not focused on managing research materials, but rather on general file storage and sharing. In my opinion, Zotero is best for managing research and citations, while Dropbox is better for general file storage.